Hi, this is Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading. This is Volatility Forum 1. After a quiet Thanksgiving week, we didn't see a lot of movement in the market. We actually, overnight, we had the S&P 500 up as much as 12. We're down as much as in the low 30s in the S&P 500 during trading today. That's a little bit related to China news and a variety of other kind of pieces of news out there that people are viewing as negative. But ultimately, this means that the VIX has really popped on this Monday after Thanksgiving. And in doing so, we actually saw a big seller of the D's Fourth, that's this Wednesday, the D's Fourth weekly, 17 calls. They sold 10,000 of those at a quarter. That's presumably somebody taking off a winner. They brought them at a cheaper price or closing when the price of those calls had gone up. So they sold 10,000 of those at a quarter. In addition to that, we saw a couple other big trades. We saw big sellers of a sort of a 7-leg package where they sold what was known as an iron condor in January and February. That means they're selling a straddle to buy a strangle in those months. And also they also bought VXX calls as part of that little package trade. That was a very big trade. That was probably altogether somewhere around 150,000 contracts. So that's what's going on here in the VIX. We have a sell-off in the market. We've had some sellers of volatility in a variety of places, so we're not seeing vols screaming higher. That said, with the VIX up about $2 today, it does look like we're going to be in a more interesting week than we saw last week. So Mike Palmer with Group 1 Trading. This is Volatility Forum 1.